let's start at the beginning with an overview of cloud computing. The cloud is a hot topic these days, but what exactly is it? The US National Institute of Standards and Technology created the term cloud computing, although there is nothing to do with US specific about it. Cloud computing is a way of using information technology that has these 5 equally important traits. First, customers get computing resources that are on demand and self-service. Through a web interface, users get the processing power, storage, and network they require without the need of human intervention. Second, customers get access to those resources over the internet from anywhere they have a connection. Third, the cloud provider has a big pool of those resources and allocates them to users out of that pool. That allows the provider to buy in bulk and pass the savings on the customers. Customers don't have to know or care about the exact physical location of those resources. Fourth, the resources are elastic, which means they are flexible, so customers can be. If customers need more resources, they can get more and quickly. If they need less, they can scale back. And finally, customers pay only for what they use or reserve as they go. If they stop using the resources, they stop paying. And that's it. That's the definition of cloud. Now the question arises, why is cloud model so compelling nowadays? To understand why, we need to look at some history of cloud computing. The trend towards cloud computing started with the first wave. The first wave was known as co-location. Co-location gave users the financial efficiency of renting physical space instead of investing in data center real estate. Virtualized data center of today, which are the second wave, share similarities with the private data centers and co-location facilities of decades past. The components of virtualized data centers match the physical building blocks of hosted computing. That is, servers, CPUs, disks, load balancer, and so on. But now they are virtual devices. With virtualization, enterprises still maintain the infrastructure, but it also remains a user-controlled and user-configured environment. Several years ago, Google realized that its business couldn't move fast enough with confines of virtualization model. So Google switched to a container-based architecture, a fully automated, elastic, third-wave cloud that consists of a combination of automated services and scalable data. Services automatically provision and configure the infrastructure used to run the applications. Today, Google Cloud makes the third wave cloud available to Google customers. Google believes that in the future, every company, regardless of the size or industry, will differentiate itself from its competitors through technology. Increasingly, that technology will be in the form of software. Great software is based on high quality data. This means that every company is or will eventually become a data company.